Welcome to Form Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Simplify data creation in apps with Form Director. Insert records collected from Google Forms into the app. In this video, we will see how the Form Director can help you to create space, adding members to Google Chat, sending messages to space, and also sending message to space using webhook. Let's launch Form Director and select the Start Setup button. Choose the Google Chat app from the available list of applications. I will name the service as Create Space in Google Chat. Then I will choose the Create Space service, which creates a space on Google Chat from form responses. Now we need to authorize the application. To do so, I will click on the Sign In with Google button. Once the authentication is successful, go back to the application page. Now let's move on to the Mapping section. Mapping is the place where you provide or route the form value to the app. This mapping will show us details of how many fields the application has and how many fields are already mapped. As our Google form doesn't have any fields, it is showing as 0 mapped fields. If any form fields match with the app field, it will be automatically mapped. Click on the Setup or Edit Mapping button. If there are no fields found in the Google form, the Form Director can create fields automatically for you. If there are already fields in the form, and that match the application field, it detects and does an auto mapping for you. Or you can simply cancel this and add a new mapping based on your preference. As it asks for automatic field creation, I will click Yes. I will also click on this Add Fields to Form button to add these fields to the form. After mapping all the required fields, proceed by clicking on the Save and Close button. As we see in the notification section, you can send a templated email to the audience. Let's configure a simple email template and send it. I will click on the Edit Email Template button. Here you will see the sample message and email address to which we send notification emails. I will update the sample message and email address and click on the Save button. If you want to execute this service after a hierarchical approval, explore our approval by switching on the approval required switch. There is a dedicated video for this, please watch that on the channel. For now, I will keep the switch off. I will save the app configuration. Let's open the form. Enter the details and click on the Submit button. Now you can see the space created at Google Chat. Also, you can see the mail sent to the configured recipient. Now we will see how to add the member to the space in Google Chat. Choose Add Member to Google Chat Space service. And authorize the connection again. Now choose the space from the drop-down to which you want to add a member. Next, proceed with the mapping and choose the required fields. As I already selected space from the drop-down, I won't choose space fields in the mapping. I will select only the email field. And save the mapping. Similarly, go to the notification section and update the template message. After configuring, save the service and submit the form. Now you can see the user will be added to the space I selected. We can also see the notification email we got. Let's see how to send a message to space. Choose the Send Message service. Complete the authentication. Then select the space from the drop-down. And proceed with the mapping. Add the required fields and save the mapping. Here also, I am not adding space-related fields as I already selected in the drop-down. If you want to submit space details while form submitting, you can add these fields. Currently, I will proceed with only the message field. Again, I will update the template message in the notification section and save it. After configuring, save the service and submit the form. Now you can see the message will be sent to the space I selected. We can also see the notification email we got. Let's see how to send a message to the space using the webhook URL. Choose the Send Message webhook service. Then, provide your webhook URL for the space. To get the webhook URL, go to your Google Chat. Select Space. Click on the space name and select Apps and Integrations. In that, there is a webhooks option. Select it. Click on Add Webhooks. Give a name to it and save it. Then copy that webhook URL and use it in the Form Director service. Then proceed with the mapping and notification sections update. After configuring, save the service and submit the form. Now you can see the message sent to the space, using the webhook URL. We can also see the notification email we got.